Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lulu Njoroge. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video and actually deciding to watch it. So without ranting so much, let's begin. So as the title of this video suggests, I'm going to be telling you guys about my hair journey. As you guys know, I just began YouTube this year, so obviously you don't know anything about my hair journey, so I'll explain like when I started and all that type of oops. And then I'd also tell you guys a few things that I'm carrying on in 2018 that I tried on in the past years ever since I started the natural hair journey, and stuff that I will just stop. Literally, I will quit, stop, and will never do them again. Okay. I have my notebook right here, so I'll just be glancing to confirm so that I can stay on track. So guys, I began my natural hair journey in 2016, I'd say, because I stopped. The last time I put relaxer in my hair was in, September 2016. But at that particular time, I did not know anything about this natural hair journey and how to care for your natural hair. Yeah, so I just braid and I didn't even know what to do. So when it got to a point where it was so frustrating, so I started to check videos up in YouTube, and I gained a lot from it. So in May, that's when I now began, and I actually, got to create my own regimen and altered it to do whatever worked for me. I'm here now. So like, as in guys, this journey has been like a roller coaster. There are times when your hair is just flourishing, and there are times when your hair is just you just feel like you want to cut it, or you don't know what to do. But in this natural hair journey, let me tell you, there's no promising regimen out there. There's nothing that I tell you, go do this, and I'm promising you will get, I don't believe in such kind of hype. This natural hair journey is about trying. You try this, it works, good. You try this other thing, it does not work. Keep it aside and continue moving. But at the end of the day, you'll get to a point where you'll be able to have your own hair regimen, and I will do a separate video about this so that I can explain to those people who don't know anything about it. But it will get to a time where you'll have your own hair regimen that works and that is doing well for your hair. You hold on, do not give up, do not cut your hair, do not relax it. And before you even start judging me, I have no problem with anyone who has relaxed hair or texturized or color treated hair, because it's a free world. Whatever you choose to do to your hair, that is you do it. But the main aim is actually having healthy hair, healthy looking and healthy feeling, and hair that is healthy. You get my point? Whether your hair is relaxed, and there are things that naturals do to their hair that you as a relaxed or texturized girl can do. The second thing that I want to talk about is now stuff that I'm going to be actually implementing in 2018 more. So guys, have you ever heard of this syndrome? I do not really know the name, but I will write it on the screen. Like the hands in the hair, hands in the hair natural, like a syndrome. It's like, I don't know why your hands are always on your hair. Today you're flat twisting, tomorrow you're bantu knotting, the next third day you're two-strand twisting, the fourth day you have an afro. That used to be me. I just wanted to style my hair and embrace my kinks and my kinky hair and my nappy hair. But you know what, it's not so bad, because I used to also really, really care for my hair. But it's not good if you want to see growth and volume in your hair, because you keep on manipulating it. So this year I'm implementing one more protective styling. I'm going to be protective styling that will last maybe a month or even 2 months, like depending on how it will look after the duration I wanted it to stay. But yeah, I want to see like my hair is growing. Currently my hair is about, from front it's about here to my nose, and from the side it's about on my, this is the collarbone, yeah. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. That's the first thing. So the second thing is actually learning to care care for my hair while in braids, and this will be doing together. I will actually even do a video on this separately where I will show you guys how you can care for your hair while in braids or while in a protective style, because I feel like so many times we tend to neglect our hairs when it's in a protective style, and you just be like, see, my hair is growing, like I'm not touching it, I'm not disturbing it, but you never wash your hair or remove the buildup in your hair, you never oil your hair, your hair is just, you have so much dandruff and all that, and you're itching, but you're just like, whatever, I got no time. You need to care for your hair while in braids, because you don't want the braids to like set you back from where you began. The braiding and the protective styling and the twisting, whatever you will do to your hair as a protective style, you want it to enhance your journey, to make your hair grow, become voluminous, and stay healthy. You get? Yeah. So the third thing is, I also want to really embrace natural remedies in my hair journey, and obviously we'll also be doing this together. I will show you guys. There are a few ones that I have started using, and I will just show you guys. Sorry for that noise, but these are Fenugreek seeds, and I got this at Healthy You. I will link a video, at least to a video that I watched that was really helpful on like the uses and benefits of Fenugreek. But basically that's one that I've been trying, and it's been working marvelously, and I will try much more and show you guys, and also explain a few things you need to know about the natural remedies in your hair journey. The other fourth thing that I'd really like to do for you guys especially is product reviews. There's so many products in the market. Gosh, there's so many, till at times you get so overwhelmed and you're just like, which one should I try? Which one should I not try? Is this worth a try, or is it just not worth a try? I will try so many of them, and most of the ones that I'm going to try are going to be pocket friendly, because I'm a student. I got no money to chop. No, so I'm going to be trying products that are pocket friendly, share with you guys which ones at least work and which ones are just no. Yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Yeah, imagine that's basically it for this year. That's basically it. Plus, don't worry, for you guys with the awkward length hair, your hair is not so long, it's not short, or it's just like over, I'm going to be showing you how to style it, because I love me some natural hair styles, so I will also share with you guys. I'd forgotten to include that in my notes, but that one was requested by so many people in Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you better, because I always share stuff about natural hair there in my Instagram stories, so you better follow me up. And I also give like follow-up videos or whatever, of requests and whatever, so you better follow me on Instagram. So those are the 4 or 5, I think 5 things that I am implementing this year. So things that I am not carrying forward this year is 1, guys, I freaking quit the salon. I quit. I am not going. You know what? Let me tell you. Some people may be like, no, maybe you could have tried to go to the natural salons, but no, I got no money. Natural hair salons in Kenya, I'm sorry to say this, I don't know, but they're so expensive, and I can't afford it. In an honest way, I cannot afford them. And there's the other salons like near home. I don't know, are the salon people taught how to care for natural hair really? Because I'm telling you guys, when these were getting installed, the protective style that I have right now, I feel like I experienced so much breakage, and that lady was not gentle with my hair at all, and I felt so much pain. I was feeling so bad, I nearly cried, because you feel like, it's like building a house. You've taken so much time and money to build that house, and then someone just comes and hits it and your house is demolished. That's the pain I was feeling. I was feeling so bad, because my hair has become so voluminous over this period of time. And then I went to the salon. I had detangled my hair, yes, but I don't know, my hair retangled. How? I do not know, but we're going to tackle that in later videos. So I'm telling you guys, I experienced so much breakage, and I was like, it's not worth it. I will learn how to do my hair by myself. But there's this specific she does house calls. She's a braiding lady. She does house calls, and she's so gentle, and she was so gentle on my hair so I will consider going back to her, or rather just doing them on my own. And if you just want to check her out, I will link her Instagram details in my description box, so you can go and see her work and, you know, give her a call. Yeah, that's basically it. That's the biggest thing that I'm quitting in 2018. I could go to salon visits. Nope. I'm just going to invest in things that I'd go to be done in a salon, because I used to go to the salon to maybe get my hair heated up, so I'm going to buy maybe a heat cap, and two, maybe if I wanted to have straight hair to like blow dry my hair, I'm going to get my own blow dryer. And each one of these I will give reviews about, so you don't worry. If you want to know where to get them, I will get them and then make it easy for you to get them. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. It means so much to me. If you haven't liked this video yet, please ensure you like, share with your friends so that they can know like this is a YouTube channel to actually subscribe to. And if you've not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below on any other thing that you'd want me to also post about that you've not had me talk about. And do you guys actually like going to a salon? And recommend salons that are maybe affordable and are gentle in, you know, the comment section. But yeah, you have a lovely day, night, evening, morning, whatever time you're watching this video at, and you know, enjoy life. Bye.